Hello, my sewing friends. Welcome to Hurricane Dorian. What do you think? Beautiful sunshine, clouds in the sky. It is raining off and on. Man, that thing is a monster out in the Atlantic. Yeah, join with me in our prayers for those people in the Bahamas that are getting clobbered. And also the people that could potentially get some bad things happening as that thing crawls up the Atlantic coast. I have a daughter in the very bottommost tip of North Carolina, and I messaged her earlier today and I said, hey, you know, this is why you need to move to Florida, because yeah, just about the time you think we get all the hurricanes, you do, because she went through Hurricane Florence last year. Oh my gosh. Okay, that has nothing to do with sewing, does it? Got a couple of patterns here to show you and some fabrics. So I will start with, I think I'll start with the fabrics because that's always more fun. Patterns are the good part. I love the patterns. I don't know about you, but I love these sorts of hauls. I eat them up. This is something I found. Well, I have two things I found at the Walmart remnant bin. And I was there because I was looking for a propane tank, and so I was at a different Walmart than my usual one, and so of course I had to walk by and just see if there were any remnants in there, and I found this. This is a navy blue. It's got some stretch to it. It is, I'm pretty sure it's got some rayon in it, but it's a twill, and it's a pretty stable, nice, I don't know, maybe it's just cotton, but it feels like it's got some rayon in it. But it's definitely got some lycra in it, and it is a beautiful bottom weight that I think is going to go beautifully with that rayon that I got. That's the polka dot. So I think this would make a beautiful long skirt to wear with some top from the rayon, and especially around holiday time when I go back up north and I can wear it with a pair of boots. Yeah, there's a Vogue pattern that has this beautiful long skirt, pleated long skirt. Oh, so pretty, and I think this might just be the thing for that. May have to get that pattern. And then I know what you're all gonna say, why did you buy more of that? But this is not the same thing as what I got before, that beautiful fluidy kind of rayon knit. This is really much more of just a tissue-y kind of t-shirt knit. It is very thin, as most t-shirt knits are these days, but how could I pass up this color? It's really not red. It's kind of coming across as a little bit red, but you can see how much pink is in it. Yeah, and it's kind of a little bit sheer, not too much, but 4 yards. The other one was 2 yards for $3, so that was $1.50 a yard, and this was $1 a yard. Gotta love these beautiful corals. So don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I have some ideas, and I'm going to break this up now. And those were the only two fabrics I had to show you that were conventional fabrics, but now I want to show you these patterns, because when I say I don't know what I'm going to do with that, I do know what I'm going to do with the other coral that I got at Walmart, the 4 yards of that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous rayon knit. Viv Mom suggested that I use New Look 6618, so I ran over to Hobby Lobby the other day and I picked it up. And I love this pattern because this is just perfect. It's perfect for that fabric. I thought, man, such a great suggestion. I had another good suggestion too for another pattern, but I didn't think it was as flattering as this one is. And the thing about this is that it does not have any shaping in the back, and those ties are attached here at the side, so you just pull them to the front. If you can kind of see in that drawing, you can tell that it just pulls it to the front. And what I'm thinking is I will lengthen those ties so that I can attach them at the side but cross wrap them in the back and then bring them to the front. I just think I'm gonna need some definition in the back, but gorgeous, gorgeous dress. She made this up in the yellow, and it is stunning, stunning. So yeah, thank you, Viv, once again for this suggestion. Absolutely genius. Yeah. So there's that. And then, of course, you know, you go into Hobby Lobby for one thing. It's as bad as Walmart. You walk out with 5 things. Well, fortunately, this time it was just 2 things. Of course, you know, I'm flipping through New Look to get to this pattern because I hadn't remembered what the number was. And so then I came across this, and I just fell in love with this little dress pattern. This is New Look 6467, and I'm in love. I'm in love with every single one of these. I've never made a cold shoulder anything. So there's this, and then we've got a split sleeve, long sleeve dress, and I'm not so wild about that. I mean, I don't care. I just think that would annoy me more than anything else. But this, I am absolutely in love with that. I love the sleeve, I love the hemline, I love the neckline, I love everything about it. And then the first one is just your basic, boy, wouldn't that be great, made out of like a sweatshirt fleece, like a French terry. Oh, so cute. Now these, the way that they're shown, they're a little bit too short for me. I would lengthen them. But over a pair of jeans, or like skinny jeans or leggings, or even some loose flowing trousers, oh, so cute, so cute. Especially if you did it out of maybe a crepe de chine, because this does call for wovens. Chambray, charmeuse, cotton types, crepe, crepe back satin, crepe de chine, piqué, silky types, ponte. So definitely more of a woven kind of leaning rather than a knit, even though you could probably do it out of a stable knit like ponte. So anyway, yeah, I'm in love with this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make View B, this one, soon. Okay, and then my friend Lisa and I, we always go book shopping, and we often hit Goodwill just to kind of see what's there. Why not look at the books? And you know, then I always drift over into the housewares section because you just never know what you're going to find. And I am a person who believes that fabric is fabric is fabric. So if you find a sheet that you absolutely love and it's big, that's fabric. That's fabric. So anyway, you can call it vintage fabric, I guess, if you want. So I found this. This is just a blue and white stripe. It's a sheet, and I really like it. I just think it's so pretty. I think this would make a really cute pair of fun pants for the beach with a white top, or even a cute skirt too. Cute pair of shorts, cute pair of belted shorts, like those, the belted pants that are all the rage right now. So it's just a very light blue, and I'm all about light blue and white, and I love the stripe. And so, yeah, that was definitely coming home with me, and it did. And the other thing was this, which is it's a curtain panel, but it is just enough, I think, to make the pants that I wanted to make recently. It was a pattern I got. I can't remember, Simplicity, is it? The pants pattern where they have the tie waist. It's pleats in the front and a tie waist. Brittany J. Jones is going to do a sew along or make those in the next little while. So if you're not subscribed to her, go subscribe to her. She's got the best content. Oh my gosh. Well, I saw this and I just thought, oh yes, I love that stripe. I think that would make the cutest pants, don't you think? Oh my gosh, yes. So that's what those are gonna be. That's what this is gonna be. It's just one, I think it's just one curtain panel, but to be honest, I mean, it's about a yard, almost 2 yards of fabric. And it's about it's not 45 wide, but it's probably at least 36. Actually, it's probably more like between 36 and 40 wide. So it's got a, you know, there's enough there to make those pants. So that's what that's gonna be. Even if it's just like a muslin, I think those pants would be gorgeous in a linen. That's all I have to show you today. I'm rambling terribly. And there's the sun again. Hurricane? What hurricane? It's good to have a drill, to have a hurricane drill. Yeah, good to practice. So that's all for me for now. And I will be back next time with more stuff and August makes, and except not very many, but oh I'll have to tell you about that then. But anyway, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.